Hello once again. All right, so we're going to discuss another homeroom module. So we're on the second quarter. So this is about decisive person. So when we look at the module, again, you're going to see here the introduction about this module. This one, meron tayong pwedeng basahing gabay sa magulang. I hope the parents are reading that. May dalawang actually language yan. Lalo na sa introductory message. May Filipino and may English language so that you can understand it better. All right. So when you go to the module itself, these are the learning objectives. Discuss how sound decision making can contribute to success or achievement. Demonstrate ways on how to make sound decisions in the given situations, and value sound decision making based on the different factors. And then, of course, makikita nyo dito yung materials needed at saka yung period ng weeks. So, please take note that the period for this module is dalawang weeks. Weeks 1 and 2. Alright? So, which means that nag-start po yung school for January, 'di ba? Mag-i-end siya ng pang second week, which means ang pang second week na Friday would be January 15. Alright? So, dapat tapos na tong module na to ng January 15 following the calendar na meron tayo. So the materials needed are paper and pen. Okay? So sabi dito, this module, you will learn the factors in decision making. So bakit ba kailangan to? Alright? Kasi, of course, it's part of the core values para maging whole ang pagkatao. Tama ba? Because decisions are very important and every day we make decisions and choices. Sabi nga dito, we should have the ability to distinguish between needs, okay? Or baka naman wants lang kasi or yung mga decision that has great impact in our lives. All right? So this one is 20 minutes, good for 20 minutes. Fortune on Wheels. What you just have to do is read the paragraph, and after reading it, you're gonna answer the process questions here. Okay, ganun lang po kasimple. Okay? Si meron lang siyang tanong about um, ano bang decision mo if you're going to return a case of jewelries and diamonds which you found on a public transport. All right? So, na-return mo yung case na yon, and then pabalik, binigyan ka niya ng money na malaki. Now, your next move is to use the money wisely, syempre. And of course, anong considerations mo daw? Ano yung expenditures? Ano yung mga ililista mo na bibilhin mo? Um, Time ng pandemic ngayon, mag-iiba ba ang priority mo? Tapos tinatanong dito kung nahihirapan ka ba sa pagdedesisyon sa mga bagay na yon. Alright? Ganun lang siya kasimple. And then, the next thing is, let's explore this, is page 6. You decide, read the following statements and then carefully decide on the best thing you do when you face these situations. Okay. Ito daw yon yung situations. Maraming situation dito. Ayan o. This, ito yung mga naka-bullet form. Kita mo? So what you're going to do is just, again, decide lang kung anong gagawin mo. Okay? Hindi naman kailangan ditong sobrang haba ng sagot. Alright? You just have to honestly answer the questions. Okay? And then, may processing question. Siyempre, pag nasagutan mo na yung bulleted, ito naman yung susunod mong sasagutan. Yung apat na processing questions. Alright, wag ka muna mag-answer nung processing question kung hindi mo pa na-answeran lahat dito sa taas. Alright? And then, this keep in mind, 30 minutes. This one, nakalagay dito yung pinaka uh, gist or ating lesson about decisiveness. Alright? So, I'm just going to go over it in a very short way or manner. Alright? So, itong decisiveness, ay meron ka dapat firmness sa decision. Alright? Of course, if you're decided to do something, of course, you have a strength towards that decision. And it is a skill whether you can decide in such a manner that you know how to weigh things. Ibig sabihin, marunong kang tumingin kung ano yung dapat mong pag-isipan or ano ba dapat ang unahin sa iyong pagdedesisyon. So sabi dito, ito yung dapat practices na gagawin mo, alright? I-collectahin mo daw yung relevant information, importanteng informasyon, and then you're gonna write down ano ba ang pros, ano ba ang cons. Alright? And then, imagine mo, halimbawa, nangyari na, the outcome itself, ano kaya magiging outcome kung ganito? What will happen if dito? Alright? And then, syempre, you look back sa past mo experiences. Ito yung i-weigh in mo. Kasi more or less, if same yung situation, then you're gonna have, kung uulitin mo yung same na ginawa mo before, then you're gonna have the same outcome as well. And then, of course, be ready and brace yourself. Siyempre, kasi once you have decided something, sabi nga nila, pangatawanan mo kung ano man desisyon mo. Alright, sabi nga dito, making good decisions or choices begin with taking charge of the decision making process. All right. Never have a shortcut to achieving finer things in life. Totoo naman, 'di ba? Syempre kapag mga greater things in life at saka yung mga mahirap i-achieve na bagay, mahirap pagdesisyonan, mahirap pag-isipan are great things in life. Okay? This time, dito naman sa part na to, you can do it. This is 30 minutes. You just have to, sa kalagay ka dito, help me decide. In making a career choice, it is important to come up with a sound decision. How do you do it? Who are the significant others who can help you? Try to identify the particular persons or institutions as being as below. Sabi ito, do this in a sheet of paper. So, ano gagawin dito? Again, ang nakalagay po is ito yung mga significant others, mga taong nakakatulong sa'yo, 'di ba? So, i-identify mo sino sa pamilya mo, okay? Identify mo sa peers mo, sino sila, sa institution, sa school, sino ko ang mga nakakatulong sa'yo at iba pang resources. 'Di ba? Ano ba yung other resources? Malay mo yung libro na nabasa mo is nakakatulong sa'yo, 'di ba? What if meron ka pa palang iba pang mga, like for example, you don't consider your doctors as your friends, but those doctors, naging malaki ang kanilang ginampanan na role sa iyong buhay. So, you can also put them here sa other resources, right? All right. And then what I have learned, yan, dito sa part na to is 20 minutes. Anong gagawin? So, in choosing your career, apply the practices of a decisive person. Copy and fill in the table in a sheet of paper. Sabi, copy daw tong buong table. Alright? Pag nakopya mo na yung buong table na yan, paano mo nagawa to? Like, sa first step, paano ka nakakolect? What really did? 'Di ba? Para daw maka-choose ka ng career mo. Again, choosing career ang pinag-uusapan sa part na to. So we're talking about your decision in the future. College, paano ka mag-collect ng impormasyon? Paano ka mag-choose ng college? Anong course? Anong school? Even the job that you want, you can put it here, all right? And then this time, this is last page. The last page is share your thoughts and feelings, 10 minutes. So you're not just going to recall an instance in your life when you need a confidant. Okay. So dito, iisipin mo yung time na humingi ka ng tulong or payo sa iba, kaya nga confidant, diba? Siyempre, this time, we need to thank them. Okay? Kasi you won't be that kind of person that you are today without those persons helping you out, right? Because kahit anong sabihin mo, it's still your decision. Yes, I know. But other people affects your decision most of the time. Especially if you're still young, 'di ba? Kasi ang sabihin ng magulang mo still affects you, of course, kahit naman hindi ka siguro young, they will always have something to say towards your life. So send it via regular mail, email, post, and social media. Let him sign or acknowledge the letter and compile it together with your activities. So again, itong letter na gagawin mo, sana naman, of course, kaya nga pinapasignan, is makarating dun sa pupuntahan. Because of course, walang masama kapag magti-thank you anytime at any time of the day and every day, kahit anong okasyon or kahit anong bagay, walang masamang magsabi ng thank you sa taong gusto mong pag-thank youhan. And this is the perfect opportunity to do it, to do this. And for me, you can also, of course, tag me if in case you're going to share this in the social media. All right. So I hope you understand now the this module. All right. Okay. Bye bye.